Wakati tunaongea mambo ya BBI, jameni, tutafute vile tunaweza kuelewana. Tunataka kuelewana mambo ya IEBC. Hatutaki IEBC yenye si independent. Tunataka kukubaliana mambo ya mahakama. Hatutaki mahakama ambayo inaegemea upande hii ama upande ile. Tunataka tukubaliane mambo ya devolution. Hatutaki mambo ya Senate iteremshwe chini tupoteze devolution. Tunataka kukubaliana mambo ya kina mama. Hatutaki kina mama warudishwe nyuma. Tunataka kina mama wapelekwe mbele. And that is all we are asking. Let us build a consensus on matters that are identified in BBI. We do not want a compromised judiciary. Let's have a discussion. We do not want a compromised IEBC. Let us have a discussion. We do not want to compromise devolution. Let us discuss the status of Senate and how it can be made the upper house. We do not want to undermine women leadership. We want to enhance women leadership in Kenya. To take women from the National Assembly, where we are discussing resources, and take them to Senate, where there is no discussion on resources, is to undermine the value and the leadership of women. Please, let us have a conversation, let us have a discussion, let us build consensus so that we can move the country together. Let us have a discussion about agriculture. Let us have a discussion about guaranteed minimum returns on tea, on coffee, on cashew nuts, on milk, on maize, on wheat, on sugarcane. Let us have a discussion, because at the bottom of our economy is agriculture that supports almost 80% of jobs in Kenya. Tuko pamoja jameni? Na tunasema hii kwa heshima kubwa. Tunauliza wale ambao wanasukuma hii maneno wawache kiburi na wawache lazima na wawache kifua na wawache vishindo.